Right, so I'm back. It has been a few weeks, but I'm back uploading again. Hopefully, there's lots of releases, and yeah, we're just gonna see what's been happening. So, this video is mainly gonna be about one shoe in particular. However, we're really gonna go through what I've kind of got since I've been gone. So for me, school started back up. I'm going to there. As you can probably tell by my voice and how I look, I have a cold. It's pretty bad. It's not COVID, don't worry. But with shoes, it's been really good. Now, I have recorded a few videos. I just decided to not upload them because I didn't think they were good enough and I wanted something better. But I have a lot of announcements to say. So before I start showing stuff, I just wanted to say we have a new sponsor, and the new sponsor, we have two actually. It is Proxy Center and Wrath Proxies. Now, these two companies I've used and I've seen people use, and their success is really big. Now, Wrath Proxies is probably one of the, Wrath is a crazy bot, and for them to do a proxy company, very reliable. It's a good way to make money as well, a very good way. The Wrath Proxies, a very reliable place, and their proxies are amazing. I've been using them to enter all my raffles. Just a quick shout out to Wrath Proxies there. And they've given me a discount code. The second company to give me a discount code, and you can use code GINGER for 25% off with a lowercase g. So yeah, I should have thought that was pretty cool. And also Proxy Center, they gave me some DCs that I've been running mesh restocks with. However, I haven't managed to get anything. But yeah, let's get into the video. Now, you know the main shoe I got, because it's probably in the thumbnail, it's probably in the title. And this is the Off-White Dunk Rubber UNC. And I don't know if that's the right name, but yeah, let's take a look at it. Now, the box is right here, and it is in its true glory. It's in its true chrome reflective box. I got it in a UK 10.5. I got this on early access on Sneakers. Sneakers never blesses me, so it was really crazy to actually have this early access for once. It was crazy. So I'm trying to be really careful with these. I don't want to damage them at all, just because of things like StockX if I do decide to sell them through there. But these things are just absolutely crazy. I mean, look at them. I can't even explain this shoe. It's absolutely mental. Now, I totally understand why people don't like this shoe. It is a super kind of ugly shoe. But actually, in hand, it's really, it's well made. That's what I'm gonna say. It's really well made. The materials feel good. There's loads of padding on this tongue here. I don't know if you can see that. It just feels like a very well made, bulky shoe. But it did cost like 160, 170 pounds. So you would hope for it to be a good shoe. Now, although it's an off-white shoe, the prices are crazy off-white worthy, you could say. Because of just how ugly it is, I guess, and the nature. It's not really a dunk, it's not really not a dunk, it's not just an off-white shoe because it's ugly. The resale prices aren't too great, it's about £300. I went for a bigger size because that was just the first thing I saw, first thing I could click on when submitting early access, just payment and that. But yeah, I won't make too much money off this. I don't see this going up in value, to be quite honest with you. Here are some screenshots of me getting it, by the way. I was so gassed when I got this shoe. I can't even describe. I was actually on the bus going to school. It was 8 o'clock. There was another drop that day as well. I think it was like the Denham or something, but didn't get them. Got this though. So yeah, you can. I don't know who won that. I'd won that, by the way. But yeah, I probably won't win this in any raffles because these seem to be quite a bit more limited than I thought personally. But yeah, one of my first off-white shoes copped for retail. I'm very happy with that. So I'm gonna put this here and try not to damage it. Can I put it like that? If I put it like that, does that work? Maybe. So what else have I got? Now, again, raffles. Hyper came in clutch. I managed to grab myself. Actually, no, I didn't get this with Hyper. This was one manual entry. I didn't, because Hyper's a bit weird with Foot Patrol at the moment. I can't enter things there. I'm probably just stupid and retarded. I've messed something up. But I managed to get, quick background change there, by the way, just while I was grabbing this shoebox. Yeah, so I managed to grab a pair of Lemon Wash Community Garden Dunks, Lemon Dunks, call them whatever you want. These things are absolutely fine. They don't like the Travis Scott shoes. I got this for Foot Patrol raffle with just one entry, manual. Super happy. Obviously, the chances of that are ridiculous. But this happened before with just what were they? The red dunks. I'll get a photo of them. I can't remember what they're called, but yeah, I got them. Super happy with these. I mean, it's just been pretty crazy recently, hasn't it? Getting these, getting those. I'm a lucky guy at the moment. I can't lie. I'm a very lucky guy. But yeah, so what else has happened? We had the Unions drop L's on them. I'm just gonna be honest, L's. Now, we've had some Jordan 1s drop L's on those. Jordan 1 lows. I tried to go for them hard because I wanted to get maybe 10, 20 pairs of them. Didn't. I have a new bot, bit of a secret. don't want to talk too much about it, but I'll do a review of some sort on that in the future. You'll definitely see me use that. One thing I don't like about the Lemon Wash Dunk actually is its sole. I think it has a really ugly sole. It's almost like a space hippie sole. Yeah, absolutely horrible. Now, if we're going to talk about some other things, like what I've actually sold. So I've managed to sell all my pastel Air Force Ones. I'm shipping out tomorrow my Jordan 5 reverse grapes. Those purple Jordan 5s there on the screen. Yeah, I made like £5 profit on them. eBay £1 fees I got this week, so super gassed about that. Don't normally get them. Yeah, I've quite a bit of cash at the moment because I've sold Prism. I've been running for mesh restocks, haven't had any luck unfortunately though, due to just my mistakes. However, I will get there. One quite important thing is I have opened a slots server. I'm now doing ACO, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. Now, obviously, as you can probably tell by my videos, I'm not the biggest chef ever, exactly. I'm not hitting crazy numbers of pairs. But if you're in the US, I can run foot sites for you. The bot I have is very, very good at foot sites. I'm trying not to say too much, because I want to have a video all about that. But yeah, I can run foot sites, obviously Supreme. Now, I don't go for Supreme anymore, just because I hate it, I'm going to be honest. But I can happily run other people for it, obviously for content for you guys, but also to get other people success. And I'll have really low payout to success rates because I don't mind spending a little bit of my money. But I want to make a bit back, if that makes sense. I don't want it to be a loss, but I'm going to try not to profit out of it because I don't agree with that. If I'm making content, that's kind of my profit, if that makes sense. But yeah, if I can cop stuff for you guys and I can make videos for you, that would be really, really good. So Discord link will all be in the description and you can see all of that. DM me any questions on Discord as well. So if you have any questions, be sure to DM me. Now, I just don't really have any recordings this week to show you. Yeah, like I said, I ran for mesh restocks, but no success there. It has been a dull week, and this is just really an update video to say more stuff is coming. I'm not dead. Yeezy Carbons, I think that's what they're called now. They will be crazy if I decide to go for them. Stock numbers seem ridiculously high. I honestly don't know whether I'm going to go for them. But yeah, all questions and queries or anything like that will be answered in the next video. So yeah, obviously you can DM me on Twitter and follow me on Twitter if you haven't already. I've got like 45 followers, it's ridiculous. So yeah, be sure to follow me there. All links are in the description. Discount codes as well in the description. And hopefully the Yeezy Carbons will get a few if I decide to go for them in the next video.